Greetings to all my 6th standard students. On the 8th day activity, the topic adverb is given to us. An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done and when it is done or where it is done. Okay, an adverb is a word which adds to the meaning to the verb and it tells us how a thing is done, when it is done and where it is done. Okay, here I am going to give example to you. Mary sings sweetly. Here the word sweetly is an adverb. It adds to the meaning of the verb sing. How does she sing? She sings sweetly. Okay, Mary sings sweetly. Okay, here the teacher asks the students to add by to the given words. The teacher, no, here the word by is not correct. Ly. Okay, Ly. The teacher prepares flashcards or writes on the blackboard. Here the word loud, loud plus ly, loudly, fastly, slowly, quickly, quietly. Okay, these words are adverbs. Okay, next one, in step 1, the teacher asks the students to write down verbs and adverbs in the corresponding column for the sentences given below. Already we learned what is verb. Verb is an action word. Here you have to find the verb first. Run. Run is a action. Walks. Walks is also an action word. Nap. Nap means a small sleep. Okay. So this is also action word. Waits. This is also an action word. Cries. So this is also an action words. These action words are called verb. So we have to select these words. We have to select these words and we have to write it in the verb column. Okay, runs, walks, nap, waits, cries. These are comes under the verb category. Okay, then we are going to find out the adverb. Okay, here the word quickly is an adverb. Already we learned ly. The word ends with ly is an adverb and also it adds to the meaning of a verb. Okay, the adverb is a word which adds meaning to the verb. Okay, how does she run? She runs quickly. Okay, how does she walk? She walks tiredly. So the word quickly, tiredly, quietly, impatiently and loudly, these are adverbs. Okay, so we are going to select these words and going to write under the adverb column. Okay, okay, next one. Here I give answer for you. You have to write it in your worksheet. Next, step 2. The teacher asks the students to fill the types of adjectives given in the column. The adverbs are given in the box below. Okay, here they gave some words. Okay, and here they are give some column how, when, where, and they are asking us to fill the types of adjectives under the column. Okay, in the first column, how she felt sadly. So how is sadly is a answer for the column how. Okay, next, happily. How does he felt? How does he feel? He feels happily. So happily also come under the column how. Next, carefully. Then yearly. No, not yearly is an answer for how. How easily. How she did the work easily. How did she finish the work? She did the work easily. Okay, so these words are come under the category how. How. And then we are going to find the answer for when. When. When did the work finish? When will the work will be finished? The work will be finished very soon. So this one is come under when. Then after. Then yearly. Then already. Okay, these answers are comes under the column when. Then where, away, here. There are two here. So we have to change it to there. So there, inside, here, away. These answers are come under the category where. Here also I give answer for you. Note it in your Bridge Course book. And the individual activity, the teacher asked the students to write adverbs in the column 1 and asked them to make a sentence for the adverb in column 2. Slowly. Tortoise moves slowly. Sweetly. Anuram sings sweetly. Happily. Children are playing happily. Okay. Bravely. Jancy fought bravely. Loudly. He speaks loudly. Then evolution. Choose the adverb for the following sentences. The peacock danced beautifully. We did not put beautiful there because the word beautiful is an adjective word. How can we change the adjective into a verb and adverb? We can add the ly with the adjective word. We can get the adverb. So here beautifully ly is add with the beautiful word. So this is an adverb. Correct answer for this question. The little boy wrote his name neatly on his homework page. The water in the river Ganges rose suddenly after the storm began. The fire department arrived quickly when the neighbor called 911. The teacher speaks silently. Okay. Why we did not use the word loud? Because loud is not an adverb. Loudly is an adverb. Loud is an adjective. Circle the adverbs and underline the verb and underline the verb they describe. First one, John rides his bicycle well. What they are asking to do, circle the adverb, underline the verb. First we are going to underline the verb. We know already action words are called verb. So the word rides is a verb. So I have underlined with a blue pen. Rides is a verb. And second one sentence, the phone rings constantly at the office. Rings is an action. So rings is a verb. In third sentence, Veena nervously twirls her hair. Twirls, making her hair twirls. Twirls is an action. So the word twirls is a verb. So underline with a blue pen here. The waiter patiently caught the mouse under his paws. Here the word caught is a verb. Then Maria practices her piano regularly. Practices is a verb. So I have underlined the verbs with a blue pen and I am going to circle the adverbs with a red pen. First one, John rides his bicycle well. So well is an adverb. I already circled it. The phone rings constantly at the office. The word constantly ends with ly letter, so you can easily find it. Constantly is an adverb. Then nervously is also an adverb. Then patiently, then regularly. Okay, these are adverbs. Okay, circle the adjectives and underline the adverbs. Circle the adjective, underline the adverb. First, we are going to circle the adjectives. The pink cat cries loudly. Already we told color is an adjective. So, pink, beautiful, brave, tall, blue, these are adjectives. Then, loudly, beautifully, bravely, neatly, quickly, these words are ends with ly. We can find it easily. So, these are adverbs. Okay. Okay, students, these are answers for this topic. You have to write these answers in your Bridge Course module book. We will meet in another topic. Thank you.